Now, since I don't like to huele fundillo, I'm not up on this guy's butt over there. Why do you have to drive your car right up against somebody's rear end? What is the point to that? You like to breathe in fumes from the other car's exhaust? Again, it's just like the bad driving. If the guy in front has a mechanical issue, the car for some reason, or even something ahead of him, he has to stop, you're going to rear end him. That is how rear ends occur. You're too close to the car ahead of you. Okay, so that's it. And I've seen people get right up to the rear end of a car that's already damaged in the rear. Like, don't you think the guy with the damage in his rear, maybe he likes to hit the brakes a lot? You think? Why are you going to go so close to somebody with a rear end already on their car, damage from a rear end incident? Why are you going to go up on his rear end for? Obviously, and I can say the same about all types of car damage. When you see a car that's damaged, like in the front, that means he likes to hueler fundillo. They like to be very close to the guy ahead of them. And then, of course, it's a marriage made in heaven, isn't it? The rear ender and the front ender, right? The front damage with the rear end. It's just, I guess it's a natural thing. But other than that, I mean, there's no need for it. Just keep your distance like I'm doing now. What is the problem? Why? What is the problem? Is the yellow car ahead of me or the off-white car ahead of me, are they going to get there before I do? Just by the length that they are. This doesn't really make a difference. As a matter of fact, when he leaves the highway, guess what happens? It's called a red light. So, the red light is the equalizer. So we're all going to meet up again at the red light. So see you guys at the next light. Bye.